Hi everybody, this is Kirsten with Field Farm and Forest. Today is March 25th and it's time to open the bees. I'm going to open them a little bit more today to see what's going on because after having that blizzard, I don't know what's going on in there. So we're going to take a look. So it's the 25th of March. We had a big 3-day blizzard and snow continuing ever since. Today it says it's 39 or 45, whichever thermometer you want to look at. But the sun's not out, so it feels a little chillier than it did the last time I went into the beehive. But even though it's maple syrup season, I do want to make sure they have enough food to sustain them until all the snow is gone and the maple trees bloom. So that's what we're going to do today. There's that other lid stuck in the ground, the one that came off this hive. When I heard about the blizzard that was coming, I had Don bring this out and put it on the top of this hive. I did not want this lid to fly off. There's lots of sugar in here. Looks like there's been moisture in here, so I don't have to worry about... Oh, here's a bee. Can you see him? So there is a live bee in there. This is a nosy. I want to see what's going on. Oh, look. There they are. I can feel the heat coming out of there. Alright. So this is solid. I don't know if they can access that or not, being solid. So let's just add some that's dry. They'll come and get it if they want it. Feel the warmth coming out of there. Oh, that little guy. I guess I'll put the quilt box back on, if nothing, for nothing more than just having a taller top to put the top on. Well, that makes me feel better. I know they're in there. I know they're safe. I know they have food. This is still a long way before flowers and real pollen and nectar flow. Go ahead and like and subscribe. This is Kirsten with Field Farm and Forest. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.